Hi everyone, my name is Angela Fraley and I'm a Conscious Discipline Certified Instructor. You probably joined the early childhood field just like I did because you were full of passion for loving on and creating this safe, healthy space for children to learn and grow. But I, like you, have had many moments where you're like, my fire is out. Our job is getting harder and harder. We used to have maybe 1 or 2 challenging kids in a classroom. Now it's sometimes half or even more than half. We have lots of increased extreme behaviors. People aren't showing up for work, right? People are quitting. It's a revolving door. We have a problem. These challenges have started to drain our passion and people are burned out. They're tired and they are ready to quit. I want to invite you to Banishing Burnout, your relaunch point to get back to that excitement, that passion that you had when you began. You're going to laugh, you're going to have fun, we're going to practice strategies that are going to reignite your passion, manage that daily stress, and heal the hurts that you've encountered through all of these challenges that we've had over the years in early childhood education, so that we can change that culture within us and at the same time connect and change the culture of those around us. Because when everyone is bringing forth their full passion, think of the difference that we can make. So until I see you there, I wish you well.